You are practicing Ho'oponopono, but it is not working for you. So there might be few things that we might do wrong, and these are the things that you can avoid while doing Ho'oponopono for any of the results that you want. So what are those four things that you can avoid while doing Ho'oponopono? That is what we will discuss in this video, and watch till the end where I will be sharing you the fourth and the very important thing that people actually do wrong, because of which they don't get results with Ho'oponopono. So here we go. Before we start this video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Veshu Bhargav, and I am a Ho'oponopono practitioner. So what is Ho'oponopono? If you're here for the first time, Ho'oponopono is an ancient healing practice which has lot of cleaning tools, but the most beautiful and the simplest and the fastest are these sentences. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. So I'd like to start this video with these beautiful four sentences for you. If you're watching this video, watch till the end, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. So let's start. What are these four things that you should avoid while doing Ho'oponopono? So the first thing is doubt. So if you have doubts whether Ho'oponopono will work for you or not, then in most cases it will not work for you, because your mind, your logical mind, is interfering with the magic which can happen with these four sentences. So whenever you are doing Ho'oponopono, put your logic at side and just chant these beautiful sentences and let the magic happen. Doubts can be, for example, if you're doing it for money and to get some money back from someone, maybe that person is not giving you money back, but you can get the same amount or maybe a better amount from somewhere else. But if you are doubting whether this will work or not, then it will not happen. So avoid all kinds of doubts whether this will work or not. Then what is the second thing that you can avoid? Expectations. So it comes from the same example. If you consider, expectation is that I should get my money back from the same person who has taken it. But sometimes maybe that amount is gone for good and you'll get more amount from some other resource. But you're not ready to accept that amount because you have very huge expectations. And in Ho'oponopono, it is said that expectations are a kind of a memory. So when we are doing Ho'oponopono, we are deleting memories. And if you have expectations, you can delete expectations with Ho'oponopono as well. So do not have expectations that you will receive exactly what you are praying for. Just allow things to happen naturally, because you have to surrender to the divine intelligence when you are doing Ho'oponopono. Then here is the third thing that many people are not able to avoid, which I also sometimes I am not able to avoid. And but remember, the fourth one is more important. So watch till the end. We are coming to the fourth point after this: desperation. So, what kind of desperation? Desperation to get the results right now. So, for example, some people come to me and they say, I want to get married, but I want to get married to this person only. So, that's an expectation. And another thing that they say is that I want to get married by this so and so date only. So that's a desperation, that I want the result to happen on this date only. I want the result to happen, very fast for me. So that's not in our control. That's in divine intelligence's control. And what happens is the divine love or the divinity, there is nothing too fast or nothing too slow. There are not something too big, nothing too small. So any result that you want with Ho'oponopono is very easy for the divine love to give you. But if you put a condition like a date, and you are so desperately wanting that thing to happen, that might create an energy block, because again the logical mind is coming in between, and that logical mind can delay your results. Do not have desperations. And then the last and the most important, which a lot of people mess up, is, and they all come with the same question all the time, is all kinds of compulsions. So avoid all kinds of compulsions. I'll explain you in detail what do I mean by compulsions. So what compulsions for me is, for example, if I tell you to do Ho'oponopono, then your first question is, how many times do I need to do it? So do not make it a compulsory practice that you have to do it only these many number of times, because for every individual different number works. Sometimes you can do it 5 times, 21 times, 108 times. It's a very intuitive practice where you yourself will realize, okay, I'm not feeling good, I let's chant Ho'oponopono, and after a while you'll start feeling good. So that's one kind of compulsion. Another kind of compulsion is, if I'm doing healing with you, you might say whatever the sentences you said, I want to say the exact same sentences because I felt good with those sentences, and if I don't say in the exact way, I might not get result. So that's not true. So that's another kind of compulsion where you feel like the way the other person is doing healing, I also need to do it in the same way. So that's completely not true, because everyone has their own inner child. They will have their own records, their memories, and they will say the prayer according to their inner child, their memories, and it does not have to be the same for you. So find your own sweet way of doing Ho'oponopono, and you will get inspiration every single moment when you will start doing Ho'oponopono for yourself. So you don't have to depend on someone to do the healing for you in the exact same way, and you don't have to wait to do or become an expert to do it exactly like someone else. Just find your rhythm, start practicing, and let the magic happen for you. So these are the 4 things that people should avoid while doing Ho'oponopono. One is doubt. Second is expectations. Third is desperation. And the fourth one is compulsions. If you have any questions, you can put it on this video in the comment section. We would like to answer your questions. If you want videos on some another topic related to Ho'oponopono, you can also put that in comments. And which one is the thing that you do the most? You can just type that also in the comment section. Is it doubts, expectations, desperation, or compulsions? And I would like to see you in another video. If you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe. And till then, whenever we meet next time, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.